Hey guys, welcome back to another video review and unboxing of the Tom Ford slippers or slides. Here's a quick 360 of the box. Tag. I got it in a size 10. Let's open this up. Nice tissue paper here. Okay. This here does come with two dust bags. The other one out. Okay. Here it is. Wow, super soft. Has the brass hardware here, brass chain. Calf leather upper. Do a quick 360 for you guys with this one. In the back it has a plate. It says Tom Ford, made in Italy. Here's a shot of the bottom. Nice traction design. It's a cross pattern, looks like. Again, it says Tom Ford, made in Italy. Calf upper, sole, and rubber bottom. Very light. I mean, this is very, very light. Let's do a quick on feet video for you guys since you guys wanted it in the last one. I think I'm gonna do a quick comparison to my Gucci slides I have been wearing for a while, and these things are just slightly trimmer, I would say, and a little bit heavier because I think of this chain. But I'm gonna do a quick on feet for you guys, quick spin, and call it a wrap. Definitely very comfortable. Shot of the back. Okay, thanks for watching, guys.